Hi there, it's Chloe here from My Toolkit. Today we're doing a this or that between two different coil nailers. But before we get started, if you are new here, first of all, welcome to our channel. Thanks for joining us here today. Here at My Toolkit we like to talk about everything stapling and nailing, whether it be tool reviews, helpful hints and tips for the industry, and with over 30 years experience we like to think we know what we're talking about. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please consider subscribing below. Also, check out our Instagram account at My Toolkit Online for things you're not going to see here on YouTube. So, let's begin. So today we're looking at two coil nailers, the RGN45 Coil Nailer and the Bostitch N66C Coil Nailer. So let's start off with the similarities of the tools. So they are both coil nailers and they're both tried and tested tools, brilliant for the jobs that they are made for. Another similarity is that they both have depth adjusters, so you can adjust how far the nail fires into the wood. And that's where our similarities on these tools end. These tools are not made for the same jobs. So let's look at the nails that these guns take. So the RGN45 takes a conical collated coil nail and also a plastic flat collated nail for flooring. So this tool is great for sheds, fencing, outdoor buildings because you can take that conical nail and you've got the depth adjuster, and it's also fantastic for the flooring industry because you can get those really small 19mm nails in there. You can also get the conical nails in stainless steel readily available, which is extremely handy if you are doing outdoor buildings or working in any environment where you can get damp. The N66 on the other hand takes what we call a flat collated nail up to 66mm, so it will go slightly larger on the nails. Unfortunately, stainless steel in the flat collation is pretty difficult to get hold of. You can get hold of it in some sizes, but due to the lack of demand, they are generally more expensive and take longer to get here. Next up is the triggers on the tools. So on the RGN45, this has what we call a dual trigger. So you can have it on single shot mode or you can have it on bump fire mode. So you can depress the tool and pull back the trigger and release every time, or you can actually hold that trigger down and bounce fire it, and there is a little adjustment on the trigger of the tool. The N66 on the other hand comes with a single shot trigger. This means that the tool has to be depressed, trigger pulled and released every time. You can get a bump fire trigger to go onto the tool that you can just swap over there, but please bear in mind it does come with a single shot trigger. Now both these tools are extremely robustly made, great for the industries that they're made for. However, the N66, due to its work on pallet yards and things like that, it is an extremely robust tool. The flat collated nailers generally are, because these are made for pallet yards and the abuse they get over there. So these two tools are very difficult to do a this or that for because they aren't made for the same job. They're both fantastic tools for the industries that they are made for, so they're both winners today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe below, and see you again soon. Take care.